Well, by dang, yes, well, we're here back at Willis Talk, and it's time to get the hay out of the fields. And what murder? Man, a truck. Here we go. We got a 2500 Chevrolet truck. Ooh, this is very similar, only it's a short bed. And Granddad had a long bed, Jimmy truck. They started around this time, started making several of the bodies look quite the same. There's never been too much differential between truck designs. But as you can see, they start looking more and more alike. There's modern, there's an older. Moderner, oldener. But we're still looking at this one. Glaring white. Don't get lost in the snowdrift. You may not find any if the tires get covered up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I hope the person sees this. We got a Bulger. Bad. That's gonna blow out. I hope they didn't drive that here. I'm gonna try to find the owner eventually of this one and let them know somehow. Until next time, this is Willis signing off.